Hello everyone. If you think about doing a bibliometric analysis around your subject area, or just search the web, find the in Web of Science, in SCOPUS, in PubMed, and find the articles around your subject, and you want to do a bibliometric analysis, one of the easiest tools to use is Bibliometrix. That it's a package in RStudio that you can use it and very easily import your data and convert it to Rformat, and you can do your bibliometric analysis from the data set you got from your database, and you can very easily do different metrics and build different metrics for your co-citation, collaborations, cohort analysis, and all the different things that you can think of about your bibliometric analysis. It is very easy to use, and it is there for us to use and do our bibliometric analysis. I am Iman Nizami, and today we are going to talk about Biblioshiny or Bibliometrix. Biblioshiny, the shiny, teeny tiny app for no coders to do their bibliometric analysis. First things first, you should have RStudio on your computer. So if you don't have RStudio, do not hesitate. Go on and just install R on your computer first, then RStudio, and do not hesitate to go on and open RStudio right after you install it. When you open your RStudio, you can see there is a kind of a blank page here, and you can see all the console, terminal, jobs, different things here, and all the kind of it looks a little bit how should I say, it's for no coders, as I mentioned. It looks a bit scary, but do not be scared. It's very easy to use. So first thing you find the library named Bibliometrix. You literally write this library Bibliometrix, and you push enter. And the first time you do this, there will be a download. The library will be downloaded on your computer, and done. The second thing you do is you put Biblioshiny here, and then you go enter again. And once you press enter, it starts working and goes to this page that went to my other monitor, and now you can see it. Biblioshiny, the shiny app for bibliometrics, as we mentioned, and you can see that this is when you use it, you can cite it this way, and they already mentioned it here. And when you have a data set, you can start using it. So I myself most of the times use Web of Science, but you can use SCOPUS and other databases also. But when I want to use it, I first of all I go on and find what I want to find on Web of Science. Then I get an output from it. Let's go and see how things happen here. Let's go with this one. Yeah, I already have a search here, so I export it with plain text, and I go on and say full record and cited references and all of them. If it was more than 139, I should put here 1 to 500, then 501, and 2000 to 1000, and go on again and again, but it's not. So I just click export, and it is exported now here. So the next step would be loading data or data here. I would go and click on load data. Then please choose what to do. import raw or load bibliometric file. If you already have saved some files here, you can use them, or use a sample collection. It even have a sample collection and you can use it. But we want to import something, so we go import. Then it asks you which database you want to use: Dimensions, Lens, PubMed, Cochrane library, Scopus, or Web of Science. I will go with Web of Science here, and we browse it, and we will have like different files we want to use, but we are going to use the one we just got from this search. So we go on and say start. It instantly go on and gives you a very good feedback from what is missing and what is good in your data, the data you got from Web of Science. It says how many of the data you got has missing data or missing counts, and just gives you a very good overlook on what happened in your data. So only some keywords were missing, and the rest was almost good, and some DOIs and keyword plus. So we close this one. We can see that 139 articles are here right now. We can export them with R data format or Excel, and we can see that 139. Yes, please, thank you. And gathering data, we can gather data from PubMed or from Dimensions. If we have an API, we can use it here, but we already have our data, so we are going to go and see what happens here. Filters, we can use some filters. We can filter the publication year and average citation per year to only have maybe the newest articles possible. And the language, we are going to put English. We only need English. So we click apply, and then go on and see an overview. We can use this overview in your articles also. So it will tell you the time span that the articles we are using are published, 1990 till 2023. Sources, number of sources, documents. Sources means the journals and different things, different sources that the documents were published in them. Number of documents, annual growth rate, and others of single other documents, 24. International co-authorships and co-author per document. Authors, keyword, references, document average age, and average citation per document. So you also can use this in your article. You can get a CSV in Excel, PDF. You can very easily use them in your article directly. We are going to check out the annual scientific production. We can see that what we searched for is still, the number of articles is still kind of rising, and you can see that it is trending upwards here. And in 2022 there was kind of a decline, but it started going up even again in 2023. So you also can use this one in your article. You can everything you think you liked, you can download them as a PNG file, or you can add them to a report that you can see here. It will be a kind of a report from all the things that you already said, yes, I want this one, I want to use it, and you can see all of them at the end of the day here report. So average citation per year, so you can see another plot here, very cool. Again, the table, you can get a table in PDF, Excel, CSV, or even print it, and again you can add it to the report or download it. Download the plot as PNG. And the 3-field plot, what does this one do? Let's check out. Everything that you went there and was not here, you can just play, kind of push the play button here. It looks like play, and it will show you that cited references, authors, and the DE, which is the author keyword code here, DE. and you can see how they are connected all together. And you also can go on to the options and say, okay, the middle field would be authors, or maybe affiliations or countries, anything you want to make a plot from, and just go on and say, okay, no, run this one. And you can see that it changed from cited references to ID, and just like to go to DE or anything again you want to make the connection from, you can use it here and you can get your 3-field plot. So in the next video we are going to talk about sources, authors, and documents. Thank you for being here. It's amazing to have you. Please subscribe and click on the like button if you like the video, and let me know what can I present and what can I just like do here in this channel to help you in your research journey. Thank you again. I am Iman Nazami, and we are going to talk more about Bibliometrix, the teeny tiny shiny app for no coders to do their bibliometric analysis. It will be the part 2. Thank you. Stay amazing, everyone.